Is it a panda? Nope. Is it a unicorn? Nope. Is it a bird? Nope. It's a pandacorn! This panda is part of the collection of Squish Mallows, the soft and cuddly pillows. And that's exactly what I'm going to draw today. Now, I'm going to start to draw my pandacorn. So about in the middle, I'm going to make a mark, and to mark the space, to make sure I have space for the corn. And then I'm going to make it round, like a C shape. Be careful not to make it too straight, because our panda is a fat, nice panda. And then I'm going to do it on the same side. On the other side, I mean, not on the same side. Like this. Like on a big, big oval. Then we're going to draw the ear. So about here, make some space for the horn. And then make a large semicircle. Then on this side, we're going to draw another semicircle. Then, so here's the middle, and then drag it down. We're going to make the little nose, like a little oval, right there. I want to color it in. Then I'm going to put a line under the nose. And then we're going to make like an upside down C shape. A smiling panda. And then on the right side, we're going to make, like about here, we're going to make a large slanting oval. This is going to be like the big patches on our panda. And then in the center, I guess, we're going to make a large, not a large, like a circle, but don't make it too small because we're going to draw another circle inside. Then here, we're about the same height, and then we also make a large circle here, like a large oval. Then here we're going to draw another circle, then a smaller circle in the middle of it. And now we're going to draw the big stripe. So here we're going to draw a curving line, not too curvy like a semicircle, but not too straight, and about this thick. Now for the horn. We're going to start about in the middle here, so like around this little dot, and then we're going to go up and round it so it isn't too sharp. I'm going to add some little textures to my horn, like a small curved line slanting down. 3 will be enough for me. Then we'll draw the small wings. About here, we're going to draw a curve, like a hill, and then we're going to curve in, then go up and down and up, like that, like a roller coaster. And then here we're going to do the same thing, a big roller coaster. Now that we finished drawing the panda, we can add some details. So I'm going to draw a small heart here, and then an even smaller heart here. This is like a love panda. Now I'm going to choose my colors. I'm going to choose black since I want to color these like patches, eyes, ears, and the stripe black. Since I want my panda to be black. So black is going to be my first color. Now I'm first going to color the ears. I'm going to make it a pure black. Now, since it's on the head, and the head is kind of blocking some light from here, I'm going to make a small shadow. You can make a shadow by just darkening the edge. And on this side, I'm going to do the same thing. Now I'm going to color the patches. Here. This part you don't need any shadows. Now I'm going to color the eye. So the outer circle, outside this small circle, are going to leave light. And then the inside and the smaller circle are going to color it black. Now time for the stripe. We're going to also color it black. Just make sure you don't color up the hearts. You can color the hearts any color, really. I'm going to color it to make it look fuzzy, like the panda is really, really fluffy. And it has soft, really soft, fuzzy, black, and white fur. The hearts, I'm going to color red. But you can color the hearts any color you want. Small heart, then big heart. This is a really loving little panda. Now for the horn. I'm going to color my horn multicolored. So first, I'm going to choose this pinkish purplish color and color the bottom. But since the head is here, I'm going to add a bit of shadow like we did to the ears. Next, the next color I'm going to color is with is blue. You can do any color, really. I like to go with cool colors for the horn. So next is this turquoise color. And the top, I think I will color it pink with this pink. Now these wings, I'm going to also color them multicolored. So I'm going to first color them, I think I'll use the same purplish pinkish color as I used for the horn. I'm going to start out here and then fade so I can have space for the other color. And here I'm going to darken it a little since this is the body. Same thing over here. Next, I'm going to, let's see, give it a little bit of blue. And then we're going to also fade out for the next color, the turquoise. The other side. And I'm going to pick this little greenish turquoise color. This time we don't really have to fade out since there aren't any more room for other colors. Same on the right side. Now, my picture is done and it looks nice to me. Now, I'm going to write my name. I'm also going to write the date. See? My Pandacorn is done. Sometimes when I don't even have a single topic in my brain about what to draw about, I like to draw about my stuffed animals. They're fun to draw too. Bye! Thank you for watching!